Now we are going to look at word art, bullet and number and bullets, then using text box. Okay, so the first one we're going to look at is word art. So word art contains some defaults and fonts that we can actually use to beautify our content when we are typing. So we have it also on the insert tab under the text. So the word art have different design. Okay, so you can add some artistic flair to your document when using word art text box. Okay, so these are different fonting color that has been pre-designed that you can use to type. So if you want to insert word art, so you click in the at the location where you want the word art to be placed, then you click on word art, click on the design that you want from the list given here, then you can type your information. So I can say, let me see, maybe this will work here. So I can, that way I'll be able to manage my time. Oh, wonderful. So this is a paragraph on its own, generated using the formula, then the word. So you can see that the font looks somehow, the design look also looks somehow. So this is what we call word art. Then you can decide to change the color by yourself as well. So just click on the borderline of the word art, then go to shape format, then you can decide to change the font from here. So it depends on whatever color that you feel you want, so that will change the color for you. So you have the opportunity of changing the color. You can also add some other effects to it. So you can add some of these effects to it. Some may not apply, so it depends on your. Okay, because the tests are actually much, so that's why we may not see the effects on time. Okay, so these are what we call word art. So we can change or insert another word art as well. So let me just undo what I did just now. Okay, so let's say we have information tech. Okay, now we can use this to design something of our own, apply another color to it. That's a border color anyway. So this is where you change the font color. Okay, so what I did is just to create a shadow using the black version of what I typed to create a shadow. Then it can be grouped together if you so wish, so that you can move it as a single text. If I move it now, they are not together. So if I want to group it together, click on the first one, then click on the, hold down your control key and click on the borderline until it turn to a solid one. Then get the borderline of the second one as well. Then go to shape format, then under arrangement click on group. Then you have the opportunity to now reset it again. Click on the one that you want to move, then click on its line, then move it up. Now this is a single text now. If I want to move it, I can move it as a single text. So that's how we make use of our word art. Then we're going to look at number and bullets. So when we have list of items, so I'm going to do this together. This is text box. List of items that we have here. Let's say name, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then Saturday. Now, what we mean by number and bullet, or numbering and bulleting, is when we itemize something with a number or with a symbol, that is bullets. Okay, if you want to do this, highlight the text. If it has been typed already, highlight the text. Okay, go to on home tab, under paragraph, then you can make use of bullets. This bullets, so bulleted list, so you can use it. You can take any of the design that you have here. So if you want a number, then numbering, this is numbering. If you click on the down arrow, you have different options for numbering. So the numbering is used when the order of the list is very important, while the bullet is used when the order of the items are not important. So that's the difference between the two. For example, now you are asked to give the list of names in an organization. So you know that you should start from the from the hierarchy, the boss, then the subordinate according to their rank. So there is an order there. So that is when you make use of numbering. But if the order is not important, for example, you are asked to list the list of fruits that you know, so there is no particular order that you need to follow, so you can make use of bullets to itemize them. So that's the difference between the two. So what I have used here is the text box. I make use of text box to write this list of items. So using the text box. Now I can also do the same thing outside of the text box. So if I want to do that, so I'm not in the text box now, so I can just say number 1. Now that I'm using the numbering immediately, so it will be generating it for me. Number 2, Monday. Number 3, Tuesday. Number 4, Wednesday. So that's how it goes. So it's numbering already. So you can change it, you can decide to change it to bullets. After that, you can change it to bullets. So it will automatically change to the selected bullet. So this is how we make use of some of the things that we have on our system. So that's all we have on Microsoft Word. So if there's any question, you can reach me through the WhatsApp concerning Microsoft Word. So I'm going to drop some exercises for you to practice as a practical, along with the link to the videos. Thank you. See you some other time.